this is Raman. 7 months ago, him and me, we got a puppy. And now I'm gonna ask him a couple questions about it.
My wife said to say hi.
You were not supposed to say that, but that's fine. Dog or cat?
Dog.
Golden Retriever or Lhasa Apso?
Both. That's the first one.
Okay. Why did you want to get a dog?
Because it's not just a dog, it's a friend. And I don't have friends, so I have a dog.
Okay. Kibble or raw food?
Kibble?
What do you feed your puppy with?
Kibble.
What kind of kibble?
Kibble kibble.
Ramen.
Royal Canin kibble.
Come on, more specific.
Hypoallergenic kibble.
Okay. Are you letting your dog eat people food?
No, I eat people food. He eats dog food.
So not even a little piece?
We have peace, but no human food.
How often does Elaine need to pee?
How often do you need to pee? When he needs to pee, he needs to pee.
How often, Raman? Come on.
5 times a day.
How often does your puppy need to pee?
When he was a puppy, he would go to pee every 2 hours. Now he's better, so now it's just maybe 3 times, maybe 4 times, maybe 5 times, 3 or 5 times.
How often does he poop?
2 times.
Are
In
you
the morning,
enjoying?
in the morning and in the evening. He just pooped right now, if you want to know.
Are you enjoying scooping after him?
You're scooping, I'm not scooping. Yes, I'm enjoying scooping.
Where does Elaine sleep?
With us. In our bed.
Where exactly? Does he have his own spot?
Yeah, the bed is his spot.
How much do you spend on your dog a month?
Everything.
How much do you spend on your dog a month?
I'm not counting, but I think it is maybe $200
That's not true.
Canadian. What do you mean? Why are you asking me then? What do you
That's
mean?
too
not
much.
true? Too much?
Yeah, we're
Well,
not
maybe
spending
you
the
should count better.
Okay. Well, now I'm upset.
No.
Oi! Where do you leave your puppy when you're at work?
We don't go to work. We work from home, so we leave him at work.
Yeah, well, now because of the COVID, but before.
He's staying at home. He's a grown-up.
Where do you leave your puppy when you're at work?
I'm at work. Puppy's at home. We leave him in the crate that we got online, and it's a nice crate that he spends his time at.
Is he okay staying there alone?
I don't know. He didn't say that he's not okay, so he should be okay. No, but actually, we just moved to the new house, so he's staying at home. Shipping.
Did you have a lot of accidents when he peed inside the house?
Do you want a truth or no?
Truth.
Yeah, he's actually has the entire floor for him to pee and poop. Ironically, that's not how it's supposed to be, but in the basement when he wants to pee and we don't take him out because of whatever reason, because we're busy, he goes to the basement and then he does his thing, he comes up to the main floor and chills. Sometimes he doesn't even ask us, he just straight up goes to the basement and tries to do his thing. The worst thing is when I'm in the meeting in the basement, because it's my office, he comes over and he starts peeing and pooping in front of me, but I can't do anything because I'm in a Zoom meeting with my coworkers. So yeah. LA, show your face.
Does it worth getting a dog?
Yes, it does. Because we got not only a friend who we can meet during the COVID times, by the way, but he can't, real friend, no. But it's also part of the family now. And whenever people say that, oh, it's just a dog. No, it's you get a dog, and it's part of your family, and you're never gonna let it go, and you're never gonna let it be in troubles. And people ask, oh, like, what do you want to like? Oh, if it's gonna be expensive. When you have a kid, for instance, I know it's completely different because it's human, but when you have part of your family, you count in money when you're gonna spend on it? No, you just think about it in advance and you say, okay. But even in advance, you don't really know unless you have a dog how much you like it, how much you love it, how much you want to spend time with him or her or whatever. Yeah, so it does. Worth it.
That was very cute answer.
I'm cute.
It was very cute answer. Yes, you are. And you are cute. And you're puppy. Hey, Raman.
Busy.
We just wanted to thank you for answering our questions. I know that you didn't want to do that at the beginning, so we appreciate
My time and effort.
you. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Lay.